Welcome to Pop-Up Camper Pro. I'm Derek Smith, and with me I got Zach and Rich.
Hi. How's it going?
They're going to be running the cameras today to give you guys better angles of the job we're going to be doing. We're going to be removing the interior ceiling lamps from this Coleman pop-up behind us and replacing with LED options. These lamps are new to us and they're cool that they do all 3 color temperatures and you can dim them as well. What they don't have, what this camper has, is auxiliary jacks on them to plug in fan-like combos and such. So you're going to get a bonus in this video. We're not only going to show you how to install these lamps and how they work, but we're also going to install the power ports into the ceiling for you too. And guys, you all ready?
We're ready. Ready.
Let's do it. Step 1 to remove these lamps, take the ceiling lenses off. And this lamp has 4 pop rivets holding it into this roof. So these are going to be expansion rivets in this roof. So all we really have to do is drill the heads off of them. All right, undo your lamp. And I don't have any power to this camper right now. It's not plugged in, battery's not hooked up. Okay, with these expansion rivets, we can just push these back up into the ceiling. Make them go away. Got our new lamp. Lenses come off. And I'm gonna put it right about there. And for our power port, since this old lamp had, again, the auxiliary for the fan lights, we're going to add that back by installing this port. And we'll install this port close to the bunk end, and we'll put it right about here. Okay, so for these wires, we're going to need to get these wires up in this little cavity behind the lamp. So we'll just use a file, and we'll notch the inside of this edge to accommodate these little wires to pass through it. Then take them out. That ought to get it. Move into a smaller pilot bit for our new light lamp and power port. Again, I got some tape on there so I don't go too far. This guy's gonna sit right here. Okay, pilot the other side. Okay, for wiring. Black is hot in automotive and white is ground. So we'll be hooking up the red wire on this lamp to the 2 black wires and the whites to the white. So just put your wires together and wind the nut on it. Okay. Bring it right about there. Okay, lenses go back on. All right, Rich, if you can give them a shot of that, I'll go ahead and plug the camper in.
Yes, sir.
All right. One color temperature. Here's another. And a third. These lamps are really cool. Hold the button long to turn it off. And Rich, if you could hand me a fan light combo. Let's check our power port. I had one customer call these the blow and glow. I thought that was a really good name. All right, and we're working. So LED upgrade, easy do-it-yourself job that you guys can do. If you want to pick up these cool lights, got them available on the web store at ColemanPopUpParts.com. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, mash that notification bell, and I will see you guys at the campground.